This video will guide you through the process of replacing the mass airflow sensor on a 2007 Toyota Camry L4 2.4 liter. The mass airflow sensor is positioned close to the engine, on the air filter housing immediately before the air intake tube. Begin with the removal process. If the engine has been running, let it cool sufficiently before starting work to avoid burns from hot parts. And always wear personal protective equipment, including rubber gloves and safety goggles, when working on a vehicle. Next, remove the sensor. Disconnect the negative battery cable. Unplug the electrical connector attached to the mass airflow sensor. Unscrew the bolt securing the sensor in place, and remove the sensor from the intake tube. Finish by installing the sensor. Carefully insert the mass airflow sensor into the intake tube. Secure the sensor in place by tightening the bolt. Reattach the electrical connector to the sensor. Reconnect the negative battery cable to complete the installation. This concludes the procedure for replacing the mass airflow sensor on a 2007 Toyota Camry L4 2.4 liter. Thank you for watching.